You have always dreamt of ruling this earth. Your challenges are as big as your ambition. They urge you to keep going. Beyond the usual, beyond your limits. Wake up to a new era of excavation. We have crafted a machine that would exceed all your expectations. It has the power you always wanted. More steel, world-renowned FPT engine, intelligent hydraulic system backed by more than 175 years of trust. Experience the powerhouse of excavation. Your partner in growth. The extraordinary 22-ton crawler excavator, and it's called CX220C. Fuel-efficient engine, high power, high torque, high precision, low downtime and unmatched reliability, advanced telematics. All that you ever dreamt of is here. It's time to move on to the best and be unstoppable.